Welcome in. Hi, Benedict, welcome. Hi, Danny. Hi, Sang. Hi, Mohammed, welcome. Hi, Wimala, welcome in. Hey, Gary, good to see you. All right, we're going to be starting shortly. Hi. All right. Good evening. All right. Hello, traders, and welcome to today's Actions to Wealth Market Analysis on Sunday, 9th of July, 2023. My name is Lenka Taylor, and I will be going through about 7 trade setups. And I'm not feeling very well today, so after I finish, I will log off, but Sam will stay on and play Orlando's video. Okay, so hang around, and you will also get Orlando's analysis as well. So let me share my screen. Okay, we're starting with Aussie USD. And at the moment, we're going in a bit of a range. So I'm not that excited to be trading this, but there might be a short opportunity, as in not a short, a long opportunity, but in the short term. Okay, let me explain why. Because overall, I'm still short on Aussie USD. It keeps rejecting and has not broken that monthly trend line. Also, on the weekly, we are still within that channel, just above it. So the next level is that horizontal level. So it looks like we might be going within that, possibly this week. Otherwise, I would basically look for anything underneath to go short there. But at the moment, the way that it looks on the daily chart, it looks a little bit like a level of a retest here. So we had, let me just get we had a breakout from that area to reach this top, and now coming to back to that bottom level range. So from here, I would be looking at just just for this week, perhaps a little long opportunity as a short term. So not too long. I'm not going to look to hold it very long. Just if that pans out, depending on the price action. So yeah, if the price stays in that range where it has been, then I would look to trade it in that range, or potentially that range as well, if it stays in that area. Just for this week, though. If it does come underneath, then obviously looking for shorts then. Next, so what do we have? Euro CHF. So Euro CHF. So I was looking at this last week as well for a short, and I'm still looking for a short on this. So what we have here. So we're in a still in a downtrend, possibly coming to this level of support, but there's still a little bit of room. So if we have a look on the monthly, this is where we are at. So we have indecision, and just sort of bouncing between those two levels. On the weekly, We had rejection from the top, rejection from the top, another rejection from the top. So I'm still looking for short opportunities there. And on the daily as well, looking for short opportunities. This could also potentially be a shorter time frame trade. So if you look on the shorter time frames, any lower highs would be a good short opportunity as well. And the other Euro GBP here is Euro GBP. Now, I'm looking at short opportunities. I don't like where it is because it's right at the bottom. I would prefer the price to come up. So if there is any bounce and a lower high, then I would look to short again to that level, at least for partial profit. This one has a little bit more room in terms of where the price action is going between those two levels. So between there, and it's, broken from that previous uptrend. So it looks good to potentially go to that level there. On the weekly, we had definitely a break underneath. So any higher lows are looking for short opportunities, and also on the daily. We are now also under the monthly and weekly pivot. So that is a good indication as well that we might keep going shorter there. We're under that previous level of support, which is these levels here. So which correlates with the previous level of resistance. So that is pretty good as well. So short opportunities on that. Next one is GBP AUD. Now GBP AUD, it looks like it's still in the previous uptrend. So looking to be going long at the moment, unless it pops back underneath that previous level, as it has done in the past. So let's have a look where we are. We're trying to get up above that level. We had one close above, one below, one close above. No, sorry, the last bar is not finished. So we're still looking for short price to stay within that previous range. Here we have one close above on the weekly. So potentially, if it continues in that direction, there could be an opportunity for long to stay within that previous trend. But otherwise, if it does not bounce off this in the next, obviously, few days on a daily chart, if it comes back and closes below, then again, looking for the shorts there. Next one is GBP CHF. All right, this one, looking for long opportunities there. So at the moment, we're still, we're basically back into the previous downward channel. but currently the bias is long. We do have a low, high, high, low, high, high, and again high, low. So looking for long opportunities from here. And also we have a bit of a break, number of bars, and retest of that level there. So on the monthly, we have a little bit of room to that level of resistance and what used to be support. So there's a little bit of room to the top of the channel. Next currency is GBP USD. All right, GBP USD, looking for long opportunities. However, probably have missed that. That was a little bit of last week's as well. But if there is any pullbacks back to the channel, the bottom of the channel, then I could still have an opportunity to go long on that. Because on the monthly, if we look at from the monthly view, we are in range in this area. We had a false break, and now we're back in that range. So looking to trade within that area. So there's still plenty of room from the monthly perspective. On the weekly, we are obviously above that bottom of the channel, but now also above that above this level of support resistance. We had 1, 2, 3 closes above, so looking to keep going in that direction there. So looking for long opportunities. So again, any pullback down to the bottom of the channel, and that would be great, and looking for long opportunities then. All right, last one is New Zealand JPY. New Zealand JPY is in an uptrend, but we are at the top of the channel. So there might be an opportunity to go short just for a little while until we get to the bottom of the channel. This is what it looks like on the monthly. So we are right at the top, and we're looking for a little bit of a pullback. On the weekly, we are right at a level of resistance. It's hard to get it all on this page, but I will do my best. All right, so we've got here, that's the previous levels of resistance. And again, now. So if I zoom that in a bit, maybe not much. So that's where we are on the weekly time frame. So we had quite a decent pullback from that level of resistance. Similarly, in the past, we had a similar bar here. And also there was another one here. Now, on a weekly basis, following those two, there was 1, 2, 3 weeks of price going down. And here there was a week and a half, week and a bit. So we may expect